welcome to the fourth video in our motivation series. In this video, I'll be talking through a strategy that can help to increase motivation, which is about setting and maintaining goals. Setting yourself a goal that's meaningful to you can help to motivate you to take action. Not only that, but once you've started a task, actually keeping going with it can be another obstacle. So thinking about not only how you set goals, but also how you keep going can play a crucial role in your motivation. To get started, think about setting a goal that has meaning to you. For example, if you're struggling to motivate yourself with your studies, it can help to focus on the goal of getting into the career you're passionate about, rather than focusing on the means to the goal, such as revision for an exam. Knowing what you're aiming for can help to kick you into action. Once you have your overarching goal, it's important to break it down into smaller sub-goals or tasks that feel manageable. It can also help to use positive self-talk, so instead of saying I can't, saying I can try. This can switch you into a different mindset. For further guidance around goal setting, check out our previous series, which has more tips and techniques. Once you've started towards your goal, it's then about staying on that path, which for some of us can be more difficult than getting started in the first place. Think about New Year's resolutions, which are often abandoned by mid-February, if not before. To maintain your goal, you could try regularly reviewing your progress and acknowledging the steps that you've taken towards your goal, however small they may be. Keep setting small steps towards your goal to keep it achievable. You could try and embed steps towards your goal into your everyday routine, or link up with someone else who has a similar goal to help motivate each other, or get a mentor. You could even try rewarding yourself when you've completed a step towards your goal. Understand that with setting and maintaining goals, it's normal to face setbacks. When you face setbacks or feel stuck, remind yourself why you're doing it. It may also help during these times to take a break from constantly looking forward and doing something in the now, like a relaxing activity or going for a walk. It can also help to talk about it and share your struggles with trusted people like your friends and family or a professional. After identifying your goal, why not start straight away and think about what's one thing I can do today to work towards that goal and see how you get on.